Hey everybody, welcome back to Yoga Basics, Learn a Yoga Pose. So the last pose that we did in our series was Supta Baddha Konasana, reclined butterfly. Our pose that we're going to do today is seated single leg extension. So we're going to swing our legs towards the front of the mat. Take our right leg out first. We're going to end up doing both sides. We're going to bring the left foot to the inside of our right leg. Now, depending on how flexible you are or from a mobility standpoint, if you can't bring it up to the inside of your right leg, just take it further down. And remember, your body's going to be different on both sides. So you may be able to get it closer to your body on one side, where you may need to bring it down on the other. So keep that in mind, okay? Now, we have a couple of options here. We're going to inhale up. As we exhale, we're going to bring our left hand to the outside of the right foot, okay? Now, if you can't reach your foot, you can bring your right hand to the shin, to the calf, or just frame the right leg. Either one, okay? Most importantly here, we want to extend out just a little bit and then release down wherever we're going to land. One thing also to keep in mind, chin to chest. So bring the chin down to the chest, forehead toward the knee, okay? Ready? Inhale up. Exhale, we extend out and then release down wherever you land. Okay, chin to chest, forehead again toward the knee. Pull the toes back toward you. And then inhale, come up. Use your hands, press your way up, and then switch sides. So left leg out, right foot in. When you're ready, inhale up. Exhale, extend out with the right hand, and then release down. Remember, wherever you land. So again, if you frame the right or left leg in this case, chin to chest, forehead down toward the knee. And if your hands are closer to you, that's fine. Again, it's just where your body is right now in the moment. And if you want a little deeper stretch and you have your hands framed around the left leg, just walk the hands out. Okay? And then on our next inhale, use your hands, just walk them back, okay? All right, there you go. Seated single leg extension. Stay tuned, we're gonna go into a seated forward fold is gonna be our next pose we're gonna do in the series. So click one of the ones up here at the top. And then of course our yoga foundations, which we're getting together right now. So we're gonna break down poses completely. What muscle groups are we working? How is it supposed to feel in your body, or what are you feeling in your body? And then, of course, modifications and adjustments that go with it. All right. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you soon.